Welcome to my channel. Here is the two problem, that is the integral sin x by x, and number 2 sin x square dx. Actually this is according to me, this is the very important point of solving this problem. I am using here the Maclaurin series expansion. First we from the Maclaurin series, then after use that formula we expand the sin x, then after solve this equation, solve this integral. Okay. Now let a function f of x be defined at x equal to a at point and have a derivative that is nth order derivative. Then we let a polynomial of degree n, and that is y is equal to f of x is equal to a naught a1x a2x square and a3x cube. So dot dot. Okay. First to differentiate, then we get f dash x is equal to, this is here a naught. See at a means I am using here at point 0. So at a is equal to 0. Then f of 0 is equal to a naught here. Okay. Putting 0, then all the remaining order is 0 as the power is ascending order. So here is only free from x here, so we got here a naught. Okay. So f of 0 means a naught. Now differentiate this. This is here a1 plus twice x a2 3x square a3 4x cube a4 plus dot dot a suffix n into x to the power n minus 1. Now again I am putting here at 0 to the first order differentiation. We got all the zeros, only we get here a naught a1. Okay. Again differentiate this, then we got here a2 plus 6x a3, and this is 12x square a4, this is an n minus 1 n into n minus 1 into x to the power n minus 2. So again we put here 0, then we got here 2a2, this is 2a2. Okay. Again differentiate, that is the third order, here is 0, so we got here 6 into a3, this is 24x a4 n minus 1 n minus 2 x to the power n minus 3. Therefore this is the third order derivative. At 0 is here 6 into a3. So from this we can easily write here a naught is equal to a0. See, a1 is equal to 1 by factorial 1 f dash 0. Now a2 is equal to 1 by factorial 2 f double dash 0. a3 1 by factorial 3 f triple dash 0. Okay, similarly we can write a suffix n is equal to 1 by factorial n, and that is the nth order, sorry. Okay. So now this is the equation 1. Therefore from 1, so f of x is equal to a naught, that is f of 0 x by factorial 1 f dash 0 x square by factorial 2 f double dash 0. Okay. X cube by factorial 3 f triple dash 0 x to the power n factorial n, and this is nth order 0. Okay. So we got the series for the finite. Okay. If the series be here infinite series, then we got infinite series when f of x as an as an infinite series of the form that is f of x is equal to f of 0 x by factorial on f dash 0 x square by factorial 2 f double dash 0 x cube by factorial 3 f triple dash 0, and this is nth degree factorial n. So okay, now expand the sine series. See, f of x is equal to c, here is a sine, now sine x. If we differentiate, we get here cos x. Therefore f0 is 0 and f of f dash 0 is 1 here. Again differentiate, and this is double dash 0, this is we got here minus sine x, therefore as we add 0, and third order differentiation, doing third order differentiate, then we got here minus cos x, therefore this is here minus 1. Okay, so similarly we got the series here, therefore f of x is equal to sine x, therefore f of x is equal to sine x. Actually this series is known as Maclaurin series. Okay, see, this series is known as Maclaurin series. With this help we find the expand the sine series. Okay, and this is a sine x expansion, and this is the formation f0. We got here f0 means here f0, this is 0 here, plus x by factorial 1 f dash 0, f dash 0 means 1, x square by factorial 2 f double dash 0. Okay, f double dash 0 is 0 here. Now again x cube by 3, that is f triple dash 0, if triple dash 0 is minus 1. Okay, so this is the infinite series. It can be also written as x minus x cube by factorial 3 x to the 5 by factorial 5 dot to infinity, and see, it can be also written as like summation n equal to 0 to infinity. See here, minus 1 whole to the power 2n plus 1 and x to the power 2n plus 1 by factorial 2n plus 1 here. Okay, therefore this expansion can be written as a summation. This is minus 1 whole to the power actually n. Okay, see, if we put 0, there is a 1. If we put 0, here is a factorial 1, so 1. If we put 0, then you got x. Okay, if we put 1, so this is minus 1. If we put 1, then we got x to the power q. If we put 1, then factorial 3. If we put 2, then we got here plus 1. Okay, if we put 2, then we got x to the power 5 and x to the power 5. Okay, this is the summation of this series from 0 to infinity. So for that, so here is the integral. Okay, this is sine x by x and dx, and that is equal to this is the integral and whole divided by x, and this is summation n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power n and x to the power 2n plus 1 and divided by 2n plus 1 factorial, and here is dx. See, the summation of this series we can write here from n equal to 0 to infinity and minus 1 whole to the power n, and this is here factorial 12 plus 1 and integral x divided by x, then we got here x to the power 2n and dx. It can be written as summation n equal to 0 to infinity, okay, minus 1 whole to the power n whole divided by factorial 2n plus 1 into x to the power 2n plus 1 whole divided by 2n plus 1 and plus c. Okay. So similarly, for the sine x square, c, we can easily use the formula of sine expansion. C so sine expansion is here sin x is equal to x minus this is here x cube by factorial 3, this is here x to the power 5 by factorial 5 and dot dot to infinity. It can be written as like summation 0 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power n x to the power 2n plus 1 and whole divided by this is 2n plus 1. Okay, therefore sin x square, it can be written as 0 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power n x square whole to the power 2n plus 1 and whole divided by 2n plus 1. Okay, so therefore integral sin x square dx is equal to integral, this is minus 1 whole to the power n x square whole to the power 2n plus 1 whole divided by, okay, and this is equal to summation minus 1 whole to the power n by factorial 2n plus 1. Okay, this is integral 4n plus 2 and dx. This is minus 1 whole to the power n by factorial 2n plus 1 and x to the power 4n plus 3 and whole divided by 4n plus 3 plus c 0 to infinity and 0 to infinity. Okay, I think all of you better understood. Very interesting question. See carefully. Okay, bye everybody.